how to remove Lightbox from Wix website. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can remove Lightbox from Wix website. So the first thing that you need to do for that is to log into Wix.com. Once when you log in, you can see that you'll be redirected here on this home page. You can also call this a dashboard. And on this dashboard, you can see there are a variety of things that you can make use of, such as getting paid feature, event, sales feature, blogs, Wix app marketplace, site and mobile app to check the mobile and the site version, the desktop version of your website, inbox, customers and leads, marketing, analytics, and automation. So that's how you actually take the advantage of this homepage that is right here, or the dashboard. But in order to remove Lightbox, you need to click on design site and open the website that you're working on. So here I have this empty space right here. So I'm going to add Lightbox here. For Lightbox, you need to go on interactive, and here are a multiple of Lightboxes that you can use. I'm going to go with promotion and add this right here. So here you go. The Lightbox has been added. But for example, if we want to remove it, then what can we do? We can go here on manage Lightbox, and we can, oops, just give me a second. Here you go. We can delete it right away. Delete, and come here and delete all these separately. However, we can also do this. Let's just add this one more time, and we can just click here, close Lightbox, and here you go. We're done with that. Let's just see the page elements that we have. We had some Lightboxes here, so let's remove them. Delete, and we have to go here again, do this, and delete. There you go. So we have to repeat it until we get rid of it totally. So that's how you do it. Here you go. Now all the Lightboxes are deleted. So that's how you remove a Lightbox. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.